Mr. Cripps,
Yes.
I'm gonna call you first, so.
Okay, get my calendar.
Yes.
Okay.
I got 4 ready.
It's-
Oh, Judge, I'm sorry, I need the dockets.
Yeah, I have it for next week and the week after.
All right. That's, the 11th, right?
Yeah. Oh, 18. Today's the.
Yeah, you need the 11th and the 18th.
Hey.
Today's the 5th.
Okay, yeah, 11th.
Huh? Oh, I don't know. Just said it. I don't know.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Martin, can you hear me?
Thirty-sixth District Court, City of Detroit, State of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Ronald Giles presiding. You may be seated.
Party's ready on Wilma Turner.
Defense is ready.
Calling case number 2358597, the people of the state of Michigan versus Wilma Turner. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with intent to do verbally harm, arresting, murder, or by strangulation. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for a cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Bookman on behalf of the people, PE 626.
Hey, good morning, Judge David Cripps, P 3497, appearing on behalf of my client, Wilma Turner, who's in the Wayne County Jail.
Attorney, can you state your name for the record, please? We all lost our script.
Yeah. Okay.
Prepare to this hearing, or go forward, you want to wait?
I need to argue bond you.
Information from her?
No, I have no information for her. Okay. Or do we?
All right, court waiver of appearance for first hearing. I'll note that she was on, but for some reason we lost connection with the, all right, that's better for exam.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you available September 11th, 10:30?
Which time, Your Honor?
10:30?
Yes, I can do it.
All right.
Oh, wait, yeah.
September 11th, yeah. 8:30.
That was 10:30, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have it in my book.
All right. Give me 1 second. Read your motion.
She told me she was gonna be here.
Are you available?
I can't conduct.
All right. Anything you want to add to the motion?
Just, I hope the attachment came through showing my client's medical conditions.
Yes, I have. I got
All
that.
right, that's one of the main concerns I have is the fact that she is on SSI for medical issues and she's suffering some medical problems in the jail. I've seen her a couple of times in the jail and she is not doing well there because of her medical condition. She has no criminal history and very, very strong family support. I talked to two of her daughters on a daily basis.
People seeing the motion, wish we heard.
Yes, Judge, I did see the motion. I would object to the reduction in bond. As I'm looking through the case notes in my file, it's indicated that the complaining witness in this case has in fact passed away. The notes as of August 24th indicate that homicide was going to be reviewing a warrant, but I have nothing for the court to add on the status of that. But I would object simply because it's obviously very serious. Somebody did die as a result of, well, the alleged defendant's action. So I would object to the reduction.
We don't know how the person died or what caused their death. I had a homicide case a month ago where somebody died, but the medical exams report that it's from natural causes, not as a result of any incident. But I'm just saying, without any kind of confirmation from the medical examiner's office, it's all hearsay at this point.
And that is a fair argument, Your Honor. I would still object.
All right. Right now, she has a $200,000 bond, cash bond.
Yes. With false arrest. Tether.
Yeah. Court will amend the bond to 200,000, 10%. Same thing, GPS tether without arrest.
Thank you.
Um, All right, anything else?
No, Your Honor, thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, would the court be good enough to stick me in a breakout room with Elijah for a moment, please?
Hold on a second.
No problem.
Good morning, everybody. Party's ready. I'm Tiffany Raymond Levert.
Ready.
Calling case number 2260469, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tiffany Raymond Levert. Defendant is charged with count 1, larceny from the person, count 2, larceny $1,000 or more, but less than $20,000. Habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booker, appearing on behalf of the people, 266-266.
Good morning, Judge, to you and your staff. May I please this honorable court? Justina Shabazz, Davenport, P number 82743, appearing on behalf of Miss Tiffany Levert, Miss Tiffany Raymond Levert, who is also present by way of Zoom. Ms. Levert, please place your name on the record.
Miss Tiffany Cheyenne Raymond Levert.
And Judge, I am also standing in for the attorney of record, Curtis Davenport, with Ms. Raymond Levert's permission.
All right. Subject matter for exam.
Yes, Judge, and I would also like to, if the court is willing, Judge, I would like to request for this exam to be set for a virtual exam. Ms. Raymond Levert is actually on maternity leave. She just had a newborn baby who is less than 2 months old, and she actually lives approximately 2 hours away. I believe it's in, correct me if I'm wrong, is it Grand Rapids, Ms. Raymond Levert?
Battle Creek.
Battle Creek, my apologies.
All right, now I'm not sending for it. It's in person. I'm doing my exams in person. This is our bond that she appears.
Judge, I'm sorry. There's some static. I heard you, Ms. Raymond Levert. That exam is going to be in person.
I have another date, October the 1st, from Macomb, because this is like a violation.
It's okay. We'll take care of it, Judge. We will make sure that we actually are present. Judge, I am going to reach out to the prosecution. If this case will be dismissed as a matter of a mistaken identity, may we Zoom in at that time if there will not be an exam held?
Yes.
Thank you. So I would ask for an exam date to be within 7 days, Judge.
You're available September 11th at 9:45?
I am available September 11th, Judge. However, at night, I actually have another exam that I just set for 10 a.m. on September 11th.
Can I say something? I'm missing out.
No. If you need to talk, I'll put you in a breakout room with your attorney, but no. Anything at this point.
Thank you. Ms. Raymond Levert, please allow me to schedule the date. And then if there's an issue that we cannot address, I will happily Zoom back on to address it with the court.
Okay.
Judge, may I schedule it for September 11th? Is there another time? I have another exam at 10 a.m.
11?
11 a.m. is perfect. Thank you, Judge. I also did send over a discovery order requesting any and all digital. I do have paper discovery only.
Okay. Did you get that, Kenny?
I'm putting it now, Judge.
Okay. Sure, to,
That was a. Oh,
this is
that
standard.
added.
Yeah, they added something. All right, you do have the discovery order, of course, gonna sign the order. We'll give a copy of it to the prosecutor. Anything else?
Nope, and I just want to confirm that the prosecutor on this case is it Philip Henderson? Attorney Philip Henderson?
Well, it's Attorney Adam Book was standing in today. Next Monday on the 11th, I will be here too, so I guess we can just count me as the prosecutor, okay?
Thank you. I will go on ahead and I will contact you about this case. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah, take care. You all have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Raymond Levert, I'm actually going to give you a call so you can log off. I'll give you a call right now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Parties ready on Daniel Clifford. Calling case number 2357935, the people of the state of Michigan versus Daniel Clifford. Defendant is charged with count 1, Giles, possession of a weapon in habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Book was on behalf of the people. 88266.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Sharon Clark Woodside, appearing on behalf of Mr. Daniel Clifford.
Clifford, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. My name is Daniel Clifford.
Thank you. Morning. And Ms. Woodside, send this matter for exam.
We are, Judge, but I need to tell you, the week of the 11th, I am not available at all due to some medical appointments. And the first I can do the week of the 18th on the 21st, because I have a trial that starts that week.
You said the 18th or the 21st, and you were fading in and out. I couldn't hear you.
I said I could do the September 21st if the court has that date available.
Give me anything.
Oh, there's nothing for that day. There's nothing for that day, Judge. You want to link?
Oh, boy. So the 18th, 19th, the 20th, I'm sure I'm still gonna be in trial. And I can't do
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Just hold on a second, please. September 21st at 9:30.
I'll make that work. I have one at 9.
You can do 9:45.
That should be that. In the building. Kitty, I'm having to change my.
Anything
comment
else?
for This case.
Okay.
Don't run. Formatted. So I'm gonna need like
I think
30
Mr.
more
Clifford was
seconds.
trying to, I don't know if he was trying to get your attention or mine.
I'm sorry, Judge.
I think Mr. Clifford, you wanted to talk to your attorney?
Oh, no, I'm sorry. My neck was hurting. I was just adjusting my neck.
Oh, okay. All right, and we'll be back in court on September 21st, 9:45,
Yes,
and that's in court.
Okay.
thank you. You said 9:45 or 10:45?
9:45.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you, Ronald. Y'all have a nice day.
Have a
Thank you,
great
you
day,
too.
y'all.
You too.
Okay. Wayne County Jail. Yeah, are you okay, Alfreda?
I'm doing it now.
Okay. Wayne County Jail. Ms. Turner, can you call the deputy? Good morning, deputy.
Good morning, how may I assist?
All right, we're all set with Ms. Turner. Her bond was reduced to 200,000, 10% with a GPS tether on house arrest. I'll fax over to Mick. Her next court date is September 11th at 10:30. Thank you. Can you bring was it Kaquan Dickerson, please?
Be in here next.
Thank you. Mr. Edison, I have you checked in on Ahmad Martin.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Riggins, I'm not sure, who are you on?
I'm on Curlea McKinney. I'm also listed on Deanna Sanders, but we need to withdraw from that case. We actually represented the complaining witness in a prior case on that case.
What case?
I have Deanna Sanders and Curlea McKinney up today. Curlea McKinney has a co-defendant, a Jalen Powell.
Right, but Jalen Powell's in warrant status.
You said Sanders?
And I don't see a Sanders. Is that the one you're trying to withdraw on?
Yeah, I have that up there today.
I don't see Sanders on Giles' docket.
Check the register of action. It just showed Sanders from my office. I'll check that one.
All right. Are you ready? Oh, okay. Party's ready on Ahmad Martin.
Yes.
Calling case number 2358600. The people of the state of Michigan versus Ahmad Martin. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. Count 2, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booth appearing on behalf of 6266.
Jeffrey Edison, P 25912, appearing on behalf of Ahmad Martin, who should be live on Zoom with consent. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Martin, state your name for the record, please.
Ahmad Martin.
All right. Edison will send this matter for exam.
Yes, Your Honor. Although I do not have discovery yet, it will be important to have the body-worn cameras if they're available. But we will be prepared to proceed to exam, Your Honor.
All right, well, just make sure you send in an order for discovery. The court will, not gonna act on that order. If you don't get discovery, I'll dismiss the case.
Okay, thank you. Should I just email it to the courtroom?
You can email it to, is your number in the chat?
Oh, no, I can put it in there.
Katie's gonna put her email in the chat. If you email it directly to her, then I'll get it right away.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Are you available? September 11th at 9:45.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, anything else?
No, thank you.
All right, thank you. That concludes the hearing. Mine's continued.
Mr. Martin, I'll talk to you later.
Thanks, Mr. Edison.
Wayne County Jail, is that Mr. Dickerson?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You ready, Mr. Anderson?
Yes, but I'll be asking for a breakout room.
Oh, you want a breakout room?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right. You ready on McKinney, Mr. Riggins? Mr. Riggins?
Sorry, I was muted. Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, she's not on.
Can I waive her presence?
Yeah, let me call it. Calling case number 2358639, the people of the state of Michigan versus Leah McKinney. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. Count 3, domestic violence, aggravated. Count 4, domestic violence. Count 5, malicious destruction of a building less than $500. Resident.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Woodbury on behalf of the people, P86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Neighborhood Defender Services by Ken Riggins, P82125. On behalf of Ms. Corleo McKinney, Your Honor, my client is not present for Zoom. Actually, we waive her presence for this proceeding.
Waiver appearance for the purpose of this hearing. Send this man for exam.
Yes.
You're available September 11th at 9:15.
One moment. I am, Your Honor.
All right. All right, anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Last continue.
Oh, Ms. Davenport and Mr. Levert, I'm back. September 11th at 9:15. You back, Ms. Davenport?
Yes. Um, if is September 12th available for the Raymond Levert exam?
I mean, recall it, Judge?
Yeah, have to recall it. Is she
Thank you,
on?
Judge. Yes, she's also on, yes.
Recalling case number 2260469. Oh, no, Pastor.
Okay.
Recalling case number 2260469, the people of the state of Michigan versus Tiffany Raymond Levert.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booker appearing on behalf of the people, P862266.
Good morning again, Judge, to you and your staff. Justina Shabazz Davenport appearing on behalf of Ms. Tiffany Raymond Levert, who's also present by way of Zoom. Judge, for the record, my apologies.
Raymond Levert, state your name for the record, please.
Tiffany Cheyenne Raymond Levert.
Okay.
Judge, may I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. We actually just appeared on the record regarding the exam date. After speaking with my client, I would ask the court to allow us to come in person on September 12th rather than September 11th, as my client would have to catch the train due to where she resides.
So, September 12th at 9:30.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Raymond Levert, September 12th at 9:30 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Judge.
Welcome.
You all take care.
How do I get off of here?
Yes, you ready? 82-237-188-73. Yes. Courtroom 233. Thank you. Calling case number 23-57927, the people of the state of Michigan versus Ahmed El Hassadi. Defendant is charged with count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault, count 2, weapons, felony, firearm. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edinburgh Cookring on behalf of the people, P86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. House of Benzia, P78448 on behalf of Ms. She is my right station name for the record. Name on the passage.
Thank you.
Judge, today is being time set for exam. Exam set at 9, currently 9:13. My complaining witness, Carville Levy, has failed to appear. Was unable to get in touch with them. We do know that the subpoena was in fact served, so we aren't able to proceed with the exam.
Judge, we're making a motion to dismiss. We ask they understand it is without prejudice.
All right, may I dismiss without prejudice?
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. There is a bond. You can release the bond, right?
Yeah.
You really thank you very much.
Hey, keep on having that big walk, all right? That's fine. What's going on with your class? He's here. I know he's here. 9:45.
So Judge, on Devon Hayes,
McKinney or Dan, sure.
the one Miss Emily Elijah is on, she said her office had to withdraw on it. I just called for another attorney. Do you want to wait on another attorney? Also.
Judge, on that case, I'm so sorry. I have to disconnect in a moment. I have to actually get on site for a victim meeting at 10 o'clock. I'm covering for Ms. Tusar today.
Okay, well, I can't do too much, so. Mr. Lyons, is your client on?
Your Honor, he's not my client. We do have a conflict of interest and had to withdraw. But I do believe he's in custody.
Okay. Well, right now, you're the attorney of record, so if he's your client. Until
At this point, then, Your Honor, I would move to withdraw for a conflict.
Hold on, I haven't called the case. I can't, and to even deal with the motion, I'm supposed to have your client here. You know, so just, you gotta hold on, please. We'll see if we get someone else, but until I do, you're the attorney of record. Mr. Penny, do we have a number we can call so we get someone, so we get you back on?
Judge, I'd be happy to stick that in the chat to the clerk. I'll give you my personal cell. As it happens, I'm going to be running across the street to you anyway, or 236, because the co-defendant on this case is before Judge Jefferson, and they're having some emergency hearing on that. I'm not sure why the cases got split, but.
Well, who has the oldest case? What's the case number on that one?
The other one is Mark Anthony Johnson. That's 23-058-588-01.
You said Mark Anthony Jackson or Johnson?
Johnson.
Yeah.
Hold on one second, let me see, huh? It's the older case number. Huh?
That looks like the older case. Oh, they actually look like the same date.
The same thing. Which one was arraigned first? Oh, they were both arraigned on the same day.
Date of entry is the same date. Mark Johnson was arraigned first.
Yeah, if memory serves, I think they were submitted at the same time, and one was signed maybe the day before the other. But I wasn't the one who authorized them, so I can't say for certain.
All right, and he was arraigned first, and he was there. We should all go to Judge.
This will go to Jefferson too.
Yeah. It looks like it's all, gotta put them together, so it looks like they're all gonna go to Jefferson.
Judge Jefferson, okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to contact Judge Jefferson and make sure that there's no issues.
For present purposes, can I swing by your courtroom, hopefully by about 11 o'clock or so, so we can readdress this issue to get him a new attorney, or will that be handled before Judge Jefferson as well? And I just gave my cell phone number to the clerk, I think.
Just let Ms. Thomason in.
Okay, Mr. Penny, can you hear me?
I can, Judge.
Elijah?
Judge, can you hear us okay?
Good morning, Madam Clerk. Do you got Devon Simmons?
It's Emily Elijah, but she says she's with her office that's withdrawing.
I don't know if it's gonna go to Jefferson.
Right. I did call for one. They haven't checked in yet, so let me check in here first.
Judge, is it okay if I disconnect? I need to leave to make that meeting. I'm so sorry.
Okay, all right. Okay, so what's going on? We still not?
Yeah. Usually I have no sound.
What's going on? You want me to call Ian?
Hmm?
You want me to call, what you call it?
You can just try to get back on again.
I did this. Oh, you're talking about log off and then log back in?
Yeah.
Ms. Elijah, I'm gonna disconnect and jump in the car, but if they need to get in touch with me, they should have my phone number and they can call me and I can.
Can you give me?
Oh, there. Okay.
Okay.
Why don't you give me? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear us now, Judge?
Yes. We
Oh, there we
lost service for a minute.
That's okay.
Yeah, the case is gonna go to Judge Jefferson, so we're gonna send it up there. If you guys can just go into her courtroom, let them know, Mr. Penny, that you got something else to take care of, and you come back. And Miss Elijah, we called across the street to get another attorney, but we gotta wait for them to come on.
Thank you, Judge. I understand.
Yeah, the whole thing's going upstairs.
Okay, that sounds
Okay.
good. Thanks, Judge. And thank you.
I'll go to
Ms.
Judge Jefferson. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Moore, can you take this up to Jefferson? Thank you. Well, Anderson got Cody.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but she's on, so I should.
It's client's family involved.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you can bring them in, because I'm getting ready to call, because I think everybody's on.
Probably not dressed for. Okay.
Oh.
I'm just gonna tell them what happened.
Oh, okay. Two, 1 and 2. Is Miss Castro still on? Mr. Anderson, okay. Calling case number 2358-483, the people of the state of Michigan versus Martez Jackson. Defendant number 1 is charged with count 1, robbery armed. Count 2, larceny from the person. Count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. The people of the state of Michigan versus Kequan Dickerson. Defendant number 2 is charged with count 1, robbery armed, count 2, larceny from the person, count 3, assault with a dangerous weapon, felonious assault. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booker appearing on behalf of the people, P eight six two six.
Number 3 is scheduled tomorrow for GCC.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kessler from Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, appearing on behalf of Mr. Marquez Jackson, P number 0549.
Can you repeat your name, counselor, and your P number?
Nancy Castell from NDS on behalf of Mr. Marquez Jackson, P number 80549.
Did you get it?
Anderson? You're on mute.
I'm sorry, on behalf of Mr. Dickerson, although we requested discovery on the 31st of August, I do not have it yet. I thought it may have been a potential waiver, but I cannot waive without having reviewed the discovery. Be that as it may, it probably would be best to set this matter for exam.
Who was that talking?
That's James Anderson.
Attorney James Anderson. Right.
All right, well, the other issue, there's another co-defendant. There's 3 co-defendants on this case. And he's, for whatever reason, they put him up for PCC tomorrow.
The co-defendant?
Yeah, the 3rd co-defendant.
Oh.
So we're gonna have to bring this back for PCC tomorrow so we can do all 3 of them together.
Okay, Your Honor, I will try, but I should advise you that I start a jury trial tomorrow that's scheduled to last at least 2 days. I'll try to have someone stand in for me perhaps, just to keep this thing moving.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you.
And I would also request discovery.
All right. The prosecutor heard the request. Mr. Anderson, just make sure you send in an order so I can have an order in the file for discovery.
We'll do so today.
Okay, Ms. Castell, did you have something else?
Your Honor, I'm just, in regards to tomorrow's hearing for the PCC, I can log on. However, it'll be probably it'll be after 10 if that's okay with the court, because I do have other pre-scheduled matters.
Well, the problem is there's 2 other attorneys on the case too.
Okay.
I'm supposed to wait till.
Um,
I'm here at 8:30. I understand that Superior is one of the defendants. That's your client is in Wayne County Jail, Mr. Anderson?
Yes, he is, Your Honor.
I mean, we can do this right at 8:30, provided the other counsel is here, and get you in and get you out.
that works, Judge. As long as it can be called before 9, I think I can make that work.
All right.
It works.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Jackson, you can go ahead and log off, sir.
That case is gonna be adjourned tomorrow.
Mr. Dickerson? Can you hear?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can log off. It's been put over till tomorrow because we got to put all 3 of them, all 3 of you guys together. Okay, so we're gonna schedule your exam tomorrow, so I have them bring it back tomorrow.
PCC.
We'll send another minute, okay?
PCC for tomorrow.
Yeah, PCC. All right, thank you.
I just press leave?
Yeah, you can let the deputy know that we're done.
Hello, what about Devon Simmons? Is he in the waiting room by any chance?
No, I don't see him on. Nope.
Okay,
You ready?
I am ready.
All right. Calling case number 2357952, the people of the state of Michigan versus Devon Simmons. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Bookwood, appearing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thomasine Jefferson on behalf of Devon Simmons. Your Honor, I believe I spoke to Mr. Simmons earlier in the week or last week. Before then, I'm surprised he's not here, but I would ask the court to give me an opportunity to get him in and just continue the PCC for another date, please.
No, I don't adjourn the PCCs. I'll waive his appearance if you want to for this hearing, and we'll set an exam date.
Okay, Judge, that'll work.
Okay. Your fellows, September 12th at 9:45.
No, do you got anything on the 13th, Judge, by any chance?
September 13th at 9 o'clock.
That'll work. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Two.
Good morning, Attorney Brian Brown. What case are you on?
Good morning. I'm here on Mr. Haynes.
Okay, so that case has been moved to Judge Jefferson. Just log in to Jefferson's courtroom, 439. Everybody should be on.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Attorney Brian Brown
is on that case. He should be on.
They're gonna step up here, please.
All right.
Go step up here.
All right, what case is this? Yeah.
That's the next one.
Nice to see you. I know. I don't know what they. Parties ready on Shaquan McKinney. Calling case number 2356977, the people of the state of Michigan versus Shaquan McKinney. Defendant is charged with count 1, weapons carrying concealed. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Bookwood, appearing on behalf of the people, P 86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. Leslie Knapp, P 34696, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Saquon McKinney, who stands to my right. And I would note for the record, he showed up appropriately dressed and he was here early.
Thank you. Mr. McKinney, can you put your name on the record, please?
Saquon McKinney.
Thank you, sir. All right, you ready to proceed?
No, Judge, the people on our CR officer who needed for this case is Bill.
You're in that case, I'll ask for dismissal without prejudice.
May I dismiss without prejudice?
Thank
Thank you, Judge.
I'll meet you up. Don't go.
Yes, date of birth?
I'm sorry,
Yes, date of birth.
hey Saquon, what's your date of birth?
January 6, 2004.
2004. Okay.
Yes. I can see it.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, everybody.
That's your number.
Yes.
Is it 5118?
No.
Nine. Oh, nine. Oh, from, Mary, that was, McCord that actually asked for that one. What did you say, Judge? Did you say something?
So 2 more PCCs.
No, it should be one.
Should be one, Mr. Mendoza.
We did Haynes.
Haynes is the
We
one
sent
that went to Jefferson.
Oh, okay. You heard from him? Which email is it?
Let me check. Grant Miller.
Oh, we don't like Sean. He's calling across the street with somebody else.
PCC's today. Yeah. Yes. 217-189-62-0. Yes. So it's a PCC. 360-233-0000. Yes. All right, thank you. All right. She says she's working on it. What's going on with Miss Martin's case? I know she and her client are here.
Yeah. That's her.
No. On this next one? Don't ask me that, man. Yes, they have.
Calling case number 2157734, the people of the state of Michigan versus Christopher Walters. Defendant is charged with count 1, police officer fleeing third-degree vehicle code, count 2, operating impaired, count 3, operating license suspended, revoked, denied. This matter is scheduled for exam.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edinburgh Court hearing on behalf of the people, P86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alicia Martin, P69003, on behalf of Mr. Walters, who is present, standing to my right.
Christopher Walters.
Judge, today's the day and time set for examination. In this case, there are 2 possible officers I could have called to get this case moving along, neither of which have appeared, but they were subpoenaed, so I'm unable to proceed.
Your Honor, defense is requesting dismissal at this time. This is, the matter was adjourned on a previous week due to an officer's inability to appear, and this date was set specifically around that officer's schedule. So if they're not here today, then people have a remedy.
All right, now it's dismissed without prejudice.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Just need a dismissal form, please.
I need to send it to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get a copy of the dismissal along with a register of action. You take that over to Dickerson and then remove it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You want to go down there and do? You want to see what we're down there? Oh, it was on, Zoom.
No, I didn't go, yeah, we were, I was looking at going in October,
Okay.
but it's not gonna happen, so yeah, probably have to look at next year. But I know I'm going to, Puerto Vallarta in, December, be there from like 23rd through the 6th of January.
Oh my God, they have the best time at Christmas. They're so super Catholic and they just love Jesus. They just be running around.
Yeah, I haven't been there during the holidays, I've been there a lot, just not during the holidays, so it'll be fun.
It's fun.
You haven't been back, have you?
I have not, but, going in November. My cousin is staying from November all the way to March. He's
Yeah.
trying it out, this is his first year trying it out, and if he likes it, he's gonna be back every year.
And he's gonna be in Medellin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Look, do you have TikTok?
Huh?
Do you have TikTok?
TikTok?
Yeah. Go on, Instagram or TikTok and search Medellin, and you will see so many people making videos about how it's like they have a ranking of the best places for US citizens to retire to. They all put Medellin like number one or number two. And they got all these facts and statistics to back it up.
Yeah. Well, I told you my neighbor right across the street from me, she, well, his wife, Sarah, she's from, she is, of course, right now debating with well, I like Costa Rica. She's
Good morning, Ms. Tucker. Can I help you?
Yes.
You're breaking up.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, I was just assigned to Alice Mendoza.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
She's about to point it on, Alice Mendoza.
Okay.
David might have lost it.
Huh?
David might have lost it.
Ms. Tucker? Calling Kate, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, calling case number 21-60170. The people of the state of Michigan versus Alice Mendoza. Defendant is charged with count 1, stolen property, receiving and concealing $20,000 or more. This matter is scheduled for a probable cause conference.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Booth, appearing on behalf of the people, P86266.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, P85402, on behalf of Alice Mendoza.
All right, we're gonna waive her appearance for the purpose of this hearing. I understand you were
Yes,
just
Your Honor.
All right, court will do so. This is matter for exam. Are you available 10 o'clock on September 12th?
September 12th at 10 o'clock. Let me check, Your Honor. You said at what time?
10 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm available. I'm available that day.
All right, okay, 10 o'clock, that's fine.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.